The next topic, the militant nationalism. Next topic, the militant nationalisms. Mainly for the militant nationalisms can be divided into two parts. One is the moderate, another one is the extremist. Only moderate, another one is the extremist. The initial stage, the method of the moderate leaders failed to yield any substance changes in the British attitude towards the moderate demand for early Indian nationalists. The initial stage, the moderate leaders, the INC leaders, to given to support for the petitions, but this method is not successful. So the moderate method, the initial stage, first the middle class educated people, that is called here moderate leaders. Not first the initial stage, the British government given the petitions, but it's not successful. And the towards of this moderate demands of the early Indian nationalists, they were criticized by the group. After that day, the extremists, the criticized of these moderate activities. The criticized of the moderate activity, and then these moderate activities, after that day, the named their prayers of the petitions. These militants were the more force on this help. The next one is 7.3, partition of Bengal. The partition of Bengal, the West Bengal can be divided into two divisions, namely West Bengal, another one is the East Bengal. Asia Lord Herson's the divided rule policies. Asia in 1905, the partition of Bengal occurred in 1905. Unpopular of all, the widespread the protest all class Indians, the starting a new phase of the Indian national movement, mainly for the partitions all across the Indians, the starting new space Indian national movement. The ideas of the partitions was divided to the ideas of the participations, the divided to two parts, is that Indian unity is totally suffer in Bengals. They totally suffer in Bengals. So the ideas of the partisans, they declared the suppress of the political activities against the British rule in Bengal and creating the Hindus and Muslim divided. Mainly for the Bengal peoples, Hindus and Muslims was divided. The West Bengal is separate. The minority speaking of Bengalis peoples, and the east side is Muslims peoples. So it's divided into two parts, and the Indian unity is totally suffered. Next one is the Hindus-Muslim unity. Hindu-Muslim divided after in 1911 the Hindu-Muslims unity. So it was openly stated that the objectives of partisans was the Lord Herson's, the Bengal's influence and the weakening of the nationalism movement. So the open stated the objectives of the partisans was Lord Herson's, the curtails Bengal, influenced the weakened the national movement, playing the Bengal under the mainly the two divisions. The British government told that it is an administrative purpose. One is the West Bengal, another one is the East Bengal. The West Bengal side peoples, the Hindus peoples, the East side peoples is the Muslims. So that is the partition of Bengal. So now unity is suffered. Divided into Bengals, the Lord Harsans assumed the Muslims, that is a new provinces of East Bengal Muslims, would enjoy a unity which never enjoyed since day of Mughals, which never enjoyed. The peoples is the mainly for the Lord Harson's statement is the administrative purpose, but this is the unity is divided. Unity is the divided, and the dividing the Bengal's peoples of the religious lines, mainly for the religious lines, the partisans united them. Religious lines, the partisan united them. The growth of the regional languages, newspaper played a role in the buildings. A sense of the proud the Bengal identity. Mainly in this topic, partition of Bengals was occurred in 1905. The general of the Lord Harsans. So the British government Bengal parted two equal part. One is a West Bengal, another one is a East Bengal. The West Bengal peoples, that is a Hindus, the minority Hindus. The East Bengal peoples is the Muslims. So based on the religious. So the West Bengal's unity divide பண்றதுக்கு இந்த system the British government announced. That is the partition of Bengals.